improved to 3-0 in the preseason last night, and with the Redskins trailing 10-6, the young Colt Brennan marched the Skins down the field, connecting with Billy McMullen for a big gain, and then the icing on the cake. This strike to Jason Good for the score. Redskins win at 13-10. Afterwards, Kelly Johnson caught up with the birthday boy.
Thanks very much, well, Colt. 3 touchdown passes this preseason. The last, of course, in this game tonight. A 33-yard strike to the rookie out of Maryland, Jason Good, who made a nice play for you as well.
Yeah, definitely. We kind of got put in a bind. They came with a big full-out blitz. I just tried to get it to him, and he went up there and got it. It wasn't really a great pass, but he ended up making a great play out of it. And, they were coming after us, so we had some things fall on our lap, and we took it and got down there and scored and let the defense win it for us.
And that was the exact kind of drive that Jim Zorn wanted you to get in. He started you this fourth quarter to try and put you in kind of a 2-minute type drill. It was 4 plays, 80 yards, and 55 seconds for the score. How did that feel getting out there and having that success?
Yeah, this week I knew that I was going to get a chance to do 2-minute. I practiced it this week, and when the game was winding down and there was about 2.5 minutes left to go on the clock, all I could think about was this is what I practiced for all week. So, we were lucky we had some kind of busting coverages. We got a lucky strike down the field. Then they blitzed and we hit a little hot route real quick. But, just another good win for us, and it does a lot for our team. As you can see how excited we are, and we're all coming together. So it was a great day to win it.
Now, as a gunslinger, the one guy you've been compared to is Brett Favre. You spoiled his debut.
Favre Day. I've been trying to meet him, but I got a chance to meet at the ESPYs. But yeah, it does. Definitely, today's my birthday too, so I got to come out here on my birthday, play against Brett Favre, and throw a touchdown. So it was a good day.
Well, happy birthday! You're always supposed to have good games on your birthday.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. So I'm happy.
All right, congratulations. Let's throw it back to the studio.
And here's a quick review.